The flyers. We never see them. They don't show working.
Oh more guys and all this Martin, welcome back to the voice update. So guys, from the first clip I played for you guys right now, you actually heard what they said. They actually said some people say they don't buy Cybertruck and we never see, and no be show make una show workings. More like I said earlier today, the competition between Burna Boy, Wizkid and Davido is not ending anytime soon. Just yesterday, Wizkid got himself a car of 1.7 billion naira, and today Burna Boy don't shock everybody after splashing over 280 million naira to buy his best friend a brand new Cybertruck. And this has got a lot of people talking, a lot of people coming out to say Wizkid, Davido and Burna Boy should be calming down. So guys, let's take a look at the moment Burna Boy and his best friend was cruising the new Cybertruck.
I show you style now.
Get in there, dog.
Like this now, I should be the flyers for Lagos. I be the flyers. We never see them. They don't show working. Now should be the flyers like this. Now don't go.
Boy, this is my blood clot, take one side. I'm in a synagogue, that rifle the bus. Pepper flying drop, high impact, guns in it. Driving stop, I'm firing flat, and everything inside him pop. Hide these shop, fire them, life will stop. Fire them.
Yes, very hard.
Love you.
Give me a block.